It's important to speak up when you have an idea. Find out how at speakupboard.com.
Look up high. How many dragons do you see? Just one. One sleepy dragon on a cloud. How many penguins are sliding on the ice? 1, 2. 2 silly penguins. Can you count the frogs on the lily pads? 1, 2, 3 jumping frogs. How many sea turtles swim below? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 graceful sea turtles. How many rockets are blasting into space? 5, halfway to 10, and halfway to the moon. Count the monkeys swinging through the trees. 3 plus 3 equals 6 cheeky monkeys. How many colorful butterflies flutter by? 7 beautiful butterflies. Can you count the elephants at the watering hole? There are 8 elephants. That's a lot of splashing. How many owls are perched in the moonlit tree? 9 wise owls. Hoo-hoo, hooray! How many playful dolphins leap from the waves? 10. We made it to 10. 10 leaping dolphins! Hooray! You counted all the way to 10. You're a superstar counter. Keep exploring.
It's important to speak up when you have an idea. Find out how at speakupboard.com.